What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. For today's video I'm gonna be sanding down my car. I'm gonna try to get as much done as possible because I'm doing this shit by myself. I don't know if my boys are gonna slide or not, because you know they're fake ass niggas. But I also got new headlights like last week. I didn't show you guys. I'm taking off the lip right now. I'm gonna start off with the front bumper. We got this little side done. Well, not done, but I'm starting it. And I'm gonna go this way and around the whole car. But this shit is a lot of work, guys. I have all the fucking sanding paper right there. I low-key regret starting the sanding thingy. I should have just taken it to the shop so they would have done a whole fucking sanding down and paint job, but I already started, so gotta finish it. Alright guys, I'm gonna be continuing the vlog that I started yesterday about sanding my car down. So I actually gave up on the sanding because this shit was way too much work. It was fucking hot as hell. I actually went to the shop where they're gonna paint it for me, and they're gonna said they said they were gonna do it for me. They were gonna do the whole work for me, sand it down and everything, for just a few bucks more. So I just said I'll just fucking let them do it. They're gonna get it done faster and fucking better than me anyway, so I just fucking leave it how it is. I'm gonna drop it off in like 3 days, and then they said it'll be about a week so it could be done. I'm not gonna tell you guys the color that I'm going with yet. You guys, we're gonna have to wait and see, and make sure to subscribe if you guys haven't. But yeah, I'm not gonna finish sanding this shit. I'm gonna leave it like that. It's too much work. Like this quarter panel, that shit looks primer red, and then they put orange, and as you guys can see, this orange is darker than the whole body. But yeah, but for today's video, we're actually gonna be installing a quick release on the DC5 on Kevin's Type S. So right now I'm actually gonna disconnect the battery, because that's the first thing you do when you're gonna take off your stock wheel, so that your airbag won't explode. So yeah, let's get to it, guys. Kevin went to take a dump real quick, but yeah, I need to disconnect this real quick, and then we got everything here. We got the wheel, the quick release, and the hub. So yeah. Alright guys, so we got the airbag off already. So pretty simple. So this shit just has 3 screws under.
Should have started with it. Huh? Well, we're barely taking it off. Not right now. It's all off.
I don't give a shit. 3 screws on. Yeah, three screws on. Nah. 3 screws under here. Then it has one here that connects the airbag. Then you just disconnect this clip from over here.
Clip.
And then you just yeah, pull that shit off, and the airbag comes off. I don't know where Kevin put it, somewhere over there. But next up is the fucking wheel, and we'll update you guys when we're there. So I had Kevin yank the shit out of this shit.
Gangs, bro, gangs.
And it's off now. So now we're gonna get the hub, line it up and all that, and we're gonna show you guys after. The shit is all ugly. So. Alright guys, so we just got the hub put on together into the steering column. Next up, we just gotta put the quick release and the wheel together and put all the plastic pieces back on, and Kevin is good to go. To be honest, it's pretty simple. You don't need that many tools, just a few, and you could do it at home, easy and simple, and makes the car look a lot better in the interior. Alright guys, so here it is. I forgot to show you guys yesterday how it came out, because we had to go pick up that car right there, and video is gonna be up soon about that car. But yeah, here is the NRG steering wheel. Oh, hold this. So yeah, guys, here it is. NRG hub, NRG steering wheel with the quick release. NRG cup.
Yep.
So yeah, guys, the install was what, like 30 minutes or something, or less.
Like 40.
Like yeah, around there. So it's not that hard. So yeah. So yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. Looks way better than the stock one, huh, Kev?
What?
Looks way better.
Slowly but surely.
Yeah. So the whole setup right there was $300, huh? Then he also changed up his shift knob. Oh yeah, and Kev is also getting a NRG bucket seat real soon. So there's gonna be another video on that, and yeah. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of how it looks, guys. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. We'll catch you guys later. Tell them to make sure to
like, comment, and subscribe, please.
any words, John? We'll catch you guys later.
Just beware of the underestimated, bro. Catch you guys later.